And then I did. I was focused, and then I did all my final tests like 100%. The professor was so surprised at how I doing it. I don't know how I do, but I'm nailing it. So then, yeah, that summers I didn't, because I think it's summer school though. It was so hard in this short period of time. And when everybody enjoying it laying on the beach, and here I am have to study, because I chose to doing it because I want to accelerate and finish it faster, but I didn't realize that summertime is really hard, so I just do it. It looks really cool though. I don't know. What do you think?
I don't think you need that much crystal clear.
I don't know. I can't tell. Maybe it's a top coat on it.
Mm-hmm.
You don't even need much. What you're seeing is some gold one. Let's see. Can't see it much. But I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna force to make it happen. So yeah, so I did a study, and I just stay focused, and it's like, okay, what's the worst if I do? I'm gonna fail that class, and I'm gonna do it again. But I didn't. Okay, that's fun. I just wanna play with this, and then and the white is gonna look good as well. It's got a little bit yellow, right? At least it gets some colors, because I want to go with the theme of this yellow. So, okay. Put some,
I'll just give her some crystal.
huh?
And I'll just leave it alone.
No, I'll give her some crystals. Weaver gel. Oh, I get an idea. Which one? Can you move this one? This one. Thank you. Take all of them. Okay. Stick in it. See.
Mm-hmm. Take this thing.
Can I take it away?
Mm-hmm. Just a bit more in the middle. There we go.
Give it some a little bit. So I'm using this because can you turn off the fence? So
Mm-hmm.
thank you. This fan is blow away my wheel gel. Because its string is so thin.
Just kind of.
Let's continue with this. It didn't light up for me. Try to get it light up again. Oh, not bad at all. Let me go that way. Okay, I flash here for 10 seconds.
Sure. Yeah, it's fine. Wait. Oh no.
nail tech, you gonna do, it depends what you do. A drawing with the, are you drawing with just a plane to do designs, or you are using it to do with your pigment? So if you're just doing your designs only, you don't what you need to do is after you cure for 60 seconds, you want to do a top coat over it to protect your gels, because that is not tack free, it still have a tacky layer. So I am gonna put some like this super cute butterflies. I don't know where she's gonna go, but I have an idea to doing some of the crystal placements for that one. So let's play with some of our newest butterflies right there. And so cute. Maybe we can do that one. Oh, this one is so cute though. Oh, now I have a hard time. They're so cute. They're super cute. So this, you have a little bit of texture of your of weaver gel, so make sure you press it firmly. Oh, this one is cool though. She go that direction and go that direction. Okay. So I'm gonna do that one. Just get oh, I cut off her head. Not bad. Still have that. And then another one. I'm using the edges of that to blend this. I'm not worried about, because I'm gonna encapsulating with condensed glue gel. It absolutely is gonna have stays really cool. That's it. I don't want anything, because it's gonna make it take away from really like cool. And then I am gonna coat it with condensed glue gels. Okay, but I was trying to do a matte base and a shiny design. A matte base and the shiny design. I mean shiny design for, then yes, then you can wipe it off. But shiny designs on that, I mean the gel, are you talking about precision gel painting white nail tech?
That's what I think there's that.
And using our condensed glue gels.
She said yes.
So that, you mean that you want to do a matte base and then do some designs of
She had white paint.
of a white paint? Then probably you might want to wipe it off, but it's, I don't know how it's going to shine. It's just like doesn't have the you can remove the tacky layer, but it might be not shiny because it's need to remove it. But yes, using a mat and on the top of the mat, then you can remove that. Absolutely, you can do that. I think when you removes all the tacky with your alcohol, it's gonna really like bring it to shine back. All right, so I will put the second step, which is the no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Really thick density of condensed glue gel will help encapsulating all of your stickers and encapsulating your glitter as well. Get some of my friends right there. Right here, super cute. Bring it down. So I'm gonna place some of like crystals along with the weaver line. And just pick a smaller ones from a clear yellow. I love this one, it's so bright. Chicken pepperoni. Look at this. And a couple more. Just one more. Just using a smaller size, which is, I believe I'm using SS4 on this one. Move that. Great, so if you're happy with this, accidentally. Add one more. And just one more. There's like a blue color too. You can do the same thing with some white nails and blue. I can't wait. We can absolutely do more. Hey, Enid. Hey, love, how are you? All right, so now we are going to cure this one. Maybe I should do just one more right there. If you want to fill it in, you can. I think it's good. Okay, so now we're going to cure this one for 60 seconds.